Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will discuss about Cymose inflorescence. In Cymose inflorescence, the growth of flower peduncle is definite. Definite growth means that there is no further increase in growth. So in that case, what happens that the main floral axis, it terminates into a flower, and then either the flower, then next flower will be produced on one side, and then towards the same side, and then another flower will grow in an anti-clockwise direction or in clockwise direction also. So in that case, the first flower, it will have, the main flower will have indefinite growth about its axis, right? So sometimes they may have a one main flower, and then two flowers they will arise on its axis, two lateral flowers they will arise, or they may have several flowers on its axis towards both the sides. So it has three types: Monochasium, Dichasium and Pleiochasium. Monochasium is further divided into two types of inflorescences: helicoid and scorpioid. Okay, so what is inflorescence? Inflorescence means a group of flowers, they are produced at the same time in on the same branch. So this is known as inflorescence. Here is definition for Cymose inflorescence, that group of flower peduncle is definite, and main floral axis terminates into a flower, and each branch again it will produce a flower. So in monochasial Cymose inflorescence, there are two types: helicoid and scorpioid. In helicoid, the main flower peduncle grows and it produces flowers at its end. Then either towards right side or left side it will produce another flower. Then in anti-clockwise clockwise direction, another flower will be produced on the second flower. Then another flower towards right side will be produced on third flower. Then another flower towards right side will be produced. So it looks like a snail snail appearance. So these flowers, they will be in either clockwise direction, or they may be in anti-clockwise direction, like this one. So here, and then this one, or they may be in anti-clockwise direction. However, what will be the appearance in nature? Appearance in nature will be, all the flowers, they will be towards either left side or towards right side, depend on the pattern of production of flowers in anti-clockwise or clockwise manner. So the one flower will grow like here, and then another flower will grow toward that side, then third flower will grow towards that side, and then fourth flower will grow, and then at the top there will be the youngest flower. And or if it is towards right side, then it will appear like this one. So when these flowers, they will grow, they will not the main axis will not be straight. The main axis will be curved, in a curved shape. This kind of inflorescence is known as helicoid. And for helicoid inflorescence, we have an example of potato flowers. For scorpioid inflorescence, the main flower grows on the main axis. Then each flower is growing alternately in a zigzag fashion. So this kind of inflorescence is known as scorpioid because their appearance looks like the movement of the scorpion. So what happens that in nature, how they will appear, they will have all the flowers towards left and right side. They are alternating each other like this one. So scorpioid inflorescence can be found in Heliotropium. Uh, so this was about the single flower development on the main axis, and each time the single flower will appear, that's why it is known as Monochasium. Dichasium, when two flowers appear on the main axis of the first flower. So when first flower appears, then two flowers they will grow towards both sides, and then two lateral flowers they will grow again on each flower. So this is known as dichasium. Example is jasmine flower. In case of Polychasium, it is also known as Pleiochasium. Polychasium or Pleiochasium, they are synonym to each other. Pleo also means that there are several in numbers. So the main flower it will grow, and then side flowers they will appear, and several groups of flowers will appear on it. So this kind of inflorescence can be found in Nerium. So this is all about the Cymose inflorescence. Thank you very much.